JVC's Pixio comes equipped with the pre-installed software Loylascope EX. It makes editing and sharing your videos fast and easy, almost like magic. Okay, as an example, check this out. Here's a video introducing a collection of my favorite shoes. Using Pixio, together with Loylascope EX, we can do some pretty cool things. First, connect Pixio to the computer using USB. Then, click on Loylascope EX. Since you don't need to worry about installing software, you can even connect to a friend's computer. After Loylascope EX loads, simply select the video you want from the thumbnail preview. Then, to trim the part you want to use, first drag the marker to the in point, and then to the out point. Now, let's upload the video and share it on the web. You can share it on Facebook, YouTube, or Vimeo. Here, I click on Facebook in the menu, then Upload, with the help of the pop-up dialog. It's that simple, just like magic. Instant uploading of videos while keeping the highest picture quality.